I made $200K last year in my first year working full-time. No employees, just 5 tools that remove bottlenecks and let me scale without hiring. I started this business back in 2020 and ran it part-time for the first 5 years. During that time, I never really made more than 20K per year. So what changed last year that helped me 10x my revenue? Of course, I had 5 years of learning and experience under my belt, but one of the biggest drivers was using smart tools to build systems that gave me leverage. These systems let me get more done in less time with greater impact, and that's what supported massive revenue growth. Now, there's a lot of tools and systems that run my business, but today I want to show you 5 that I use daily and how they help me create leverage. Like most solopreneurs, a big chunk of my week goes towards administrative tasks, operations, and sales and marketing activities. I was stuck doing human heavy work that took away from creating content and working on priority projects. Replying to emails, handling partnerships, drafting contracts, following up on leads, posting content, writing blog posts. These are all important parts of my business, but they're repetitive, time-consuming, and at times mentally draining. This is where Marblism came in. Marblism gives me a team of AI employees that significantly reduce the amount of time I spend on these tasks. I have an administrative assistant that manages my inbox and drafts replies I can review. I have a social media manager that generates ideas and creates and publishes content automatically. I have a blog writer that does the same thing except for long-form content. My sales associate finds targeted leads, reaches out, and books meetings automatically, and my legal assistant helps me draft and review agreements. What's important to me here isn't just the automation, it's control. I can guide the output, review it quickly, and move on without getting bogged down in any one task. If you want to see exactly how I use Marblism in my business, I have a full walkthrough on the channel and I'll link it below. Marblism helped me get my time back, but distribution was still my biggest bottleneck. I knew I needed to be on more than one social channel if I wanted to reach more people and grow faster. The problem is the number of platforms out there. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and a bunch of others. Posting each one manually would take a ton of time, and realistically, I just wasn't gonna do it consistently. That's where Repurpose comes in. Repurpose automatically posts my content to every social platform whenever I publish on my main channel. So if I post a video on YouTube, it automatically gets published to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Pinterest, and a bunch more. I post once, set the rules, and everything else happens in the background. No manual uploads, no missed platforms, no extra effort. Setting this up took about 5 minutes, and if you want to set this up for yourself, I have a step-by-step tutorial on the channel that I'll link in the description. What mattered most here was the reliability and consistency. Once the workflows were set, they just worked. I didn't have to think about scheduling posts. I could focus on creating better content instead of reposting it everywhere. So that's how I was able to increase my reach without increasing my effort. So reach wasn't the problem anymore, but now turning that attention into revenue was. Up to this point, everything I improved was about speed and reach. People were discovering my content and engaging with me on my socials. But without a proper system, all that attention was scattered. I didn't have a way to capture that engagement and reach people at scale. That's where Kartra comes in. Kartra is an all-in-one platform that lets me manage my marketing and sales activities. It became the backbone of my business. I use it to run funnels, send marketing emails, host landing pages, track contacts, sell my offers, and so much more. Now, when someone watches the video and clicks a link, they land on a page, they enter their email, and I can deliver value and build a relationship. And then when they're ready to buy, they can easily check out. Most importantly, I can now do this at scale. Revenue stopped feeling random, sales became predictable, and my relationship with my audience stayed intact even when I wasn't online every day. If you want to see everything Kartra can do, I'll link my full review below. So revenue became predictable, but consistency was still fragile. And the reason consistency was fragile was me. I can't always be on camera. I can't record every day, and if I disappear for a few days, momentum drops. Consistency matters more than perfection, especially on short-form platforms like TikTok and Instagram. That's where HeyGen came in. HeyGen lets me create a high-quality AI avatar that looks and sounds like me. I use it mainly for short-form content, especially on days when recording just isn't practical. This wasn't about replacing my presence. It was about maintaining consistency. Content kept going out, the algorithm stayed warm, the audience stayed engaged. And because content kept flowing, reach kept growing. If you want to see how I create ultra-realistic AI avatars with HeyGen, I have a step-by-step tutorial linked below. But more content exposed a new problem. Nothing was connected. By this stage, everything was moving fast, but nothing was truly connected. Leads were coming in from different places, content was being published everywhere, data was constantly moving behind the scenes. Doing this manually would have completely broken the system. Make became the glue. Make is a no-code automation tool that lets you connect your tools and build custom workflows for repetitive tasks. I use it for everything from syncing contacts between systems to creating fully automated AI content. To give you an example, when a YouTube video goes live, I have a workflow that automatically creates a blog post from that video. More reach without more effort. What I value here is that I can build automations that exactly match how I work. Once these workflows are set up, no reminders, no manual checks, no mental overhead. It removes friction from my operations, and removing friction is what allowed the entire system to scale without me becoming the bottleneck. If you want to learn how to use Make to create custom workflows for your business, I have a beginner tutorial you can check out on the channel. The link is in the description. So those are the 5 tools that helped me 10x my revenue and make $200K in my first year working full-time. Not because the tools themselves are magical, but because I implemented them to build systems that removed me from repetitive work and let me focus on what actually grows the business. I didn't suddenly work harder last year. I worked differently. I stopped trying to do everything manually and started designing systems that could run even when I wasn't actively working. That's the real shift. If you feel like you're the bottleneck in your business, the answer usually isn't more effort. It's more leverage. You don't need all 5 of these tools. You just need to start with the one that removes the biggest barrier in your workflow right now. If you want deeper breakdowns on any of these, I've linked full tutorials for each one below. And if you got some value out of this video, hit that like button. And if you want to learn how to build systems like this step by step, make sure you subscribe. Now, as I said, these aren't the only tools I use in my business. If you want to see another tool I use to get more leverage, check out these 2 videos right here. I'll see you in there.